All right, here we go. New video, Wednesday, October 8th. Upwork, UPWK. This is a really good chart. Going back on this has been around a while. When did this IPO? This has been around since 2020 had the COVID move down. You're talking five. This goes to 60 plus. You can see the triple top up here, 21 into 22. Look at that. Wick, three wicks on the loop down, and then this came all the way back down to you're talking 653. So it's actually been climbing since 23, the low here, eight, very slowly, 11. So, the daily chart, you had the move in May all the way down. You have trend lines developed. Now you have a trend line up. Here's your high line from August. Let that cross 1146. Then you went deep down here on this move to 1650. Now the algo picks it up 811, 829, 911, and then there might have been sells here, but these are the buys. This was the sell up here recently. The short, and now you have a buy here, the algo coming in 10.8, and you're very oversold here. The weekly too, you can see the deep moves, like deep down, up, another deep down on stochastics, and crossing down. So this has been very good. This is a broadening wedge. That means the volatility, it's increasing right here. All right, so Upwork announces 100 million stock buyback. That was September 15. Strong earnings, 2.37 billion market cap, income 245 million, sales 772 million. Insiders own 7%, institutions 89%. It's very good. Institutions want stocks, whatever ETFs that go up, that they're incentivized, they're invested in. So the performance in those two last 3 years, it's pretty decent. Any news here? Rundown. Let's see here. Gig work, must watch, capitalizing gig economy boom. Upwork CEO Hayden Brown. There'll be plenty of work for humans, even as AI agents do more. Demand for quality assurance, project management, other human-centric skills. So what do? If people aren't familiar, online marketplace, which engages in provision of business to find, hire, and pay freelancers short-term and longer-term projects. Its marketplace offerings include Upwork Basic Plus, Business, Enterprise, Payroll. It's founded out to 2013. What are people saying on this? Stock, nice bounce. Collecting 20 calls. 25 easy. Let's see here. All right, so these are the moves you're looking for. Once you have a big downtrend, what's that, 3 months? And then you start to go up. That is a good sign, low to high. Now, when you have deep moves like this, and look at your weekly. So come back to April, deep move down, the market too, deep move down. You crossed over right here on 8.8 on the weekly, and this was a long. Excuse me. So weekly, you are white over red the whole way up. Look at this. The whole way up, you are long right there. And it's not even a wave. It's not, see this? I call this more of a wave. It's more volatility. It's not as clear going up. This is tremendously clear. So look at your weekly. And again, on the monthly, I'm not looking at that too much because I'm playing very short term on the daily and maybe even the weekly here. And I want to see that crossover. And yeah, that was the move here. Daily chart back again. So you get that crossover, a little loop down, back up. And this is a good move from, you're talking 1150 to about 20. Very good in 2 months. Now we're going back up. We'll see if this challenges back up to this 20 level on UPWK. Let's see here. All right, so the buys on 9/11, right here, you had 21%, 8/11, 11%. There were some of the good moves right there along the way up. On Upwork. All right, so that's it. So pretty clean chart. Going up the weekly, everything looks good. You're still in an uptrend. So keep an eye on this. We'll see if this can keep going up. That's it. Please subscribe to Mike Kim and Trades on YouTube. Smash the like button. That's it. Peace.